Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds Philips Fidelio T1 on your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And so right here I have a name. Near to the name I have this pencil icon. I have stock Android and I have this icon. Because some Android phones have the line with the name, and also on some phones this icon located at the right top. So we need to tap at this icon. If you have the line, you will tap at the line, and right here we can write the best one for you. Let's say I want to remove this text and add this one. The most important is to click rename to save this new name, but on your phone it may be done or OK or check mark or something else. So tap at that button, and as you can see we just changed the name, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!